Welcome back to the channel everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make some watermelon drink. But this one is just natural. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of take the bottom on this. I'm just gonna take the bottom off for it to stand. And then I'm gonna just take a paring knife, cut this round. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna soften this up a little bit, cut it with a knife, but I'm gonna use my stick blender. So actually what I'm doing, I'm gonna blend the watermelon in it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take out a little here that the blender can hold on inside of it. So I'm just using the knife, soften it up a bit. So I'm just using my stick blender. So just gentle, rev it, keep pushing. So now, if you want this look a little bit different, just take a knife, give it a little pattern on the side. Just be gentle, keep turning them. So just in case you're ready, for some watermelon. Fresh. Look at this. So lovely and fresh. Healthy. Keep yourself hydrated. Look at that. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Wow.